Hey, I'm on the Baby Like Destiny, and you know how I love this machine. Well, I'm going to show you something it does that you probably didn't know it does. Come on in here. This is so cool. I'm going to go to my settings page. And remember, we've talked about the width control right here. It looks like a Band-Aid, doesn't it? But actually, it's this button right here. When I push this one back and forth, it is my speed control, isn't it? When you're sewing normally, that's what it's set up to do, because you can see the little arrows up there. But I can turn that on to my width control. Okay? Now, why would I want to do that? This is cool. Just get those socks on because they're going to fall off in just a second. I'm going to put it in a zigzag. Now, I want you to watch the screen right here, what it does. Okay, do you see how it's moving wider and smaller? And then I want you to look over here. I'm going to actually stitch something. I'm going to let you see this stitch. Okay, you ready? I've got it in the very narrowest. The very narrowest would actually be a straight stitch. See that? But I'm going to move this guy up. See how wide it goes? And I can move it back down, all while I'm stitching. And this all happens while I'm pressing on my foot pedal. I can do that with my speed control, which is now my width control. Now, if I were in a straight stitch, it would do the same thing. Here I'm in a straight stitch. It's not going to make the stitch any wider, but it's going to move it around. Oh, my needle came unthreaded. The nice thing about these machines is that they are a breeze to thread. Isn't that cool? All right, here I go. And it's hard for you to see right there, but it is moving my needle around. Let's look at that. There I go. I moved my needle back and forth. Zigzag, wider and fatter and wider and skinnier. It's great. I love that feature.